thanks.
English.
Estoy bien, gracias.
Spanish.
Je vais bien, merci.
French.
Bien kidayo, arigato.
Japanese.
Matikuhu, tanyavad.
Hindi.
Shukran, ana bikhar.
Rabbit.
I'm good, thanks. How about you, my friend? I woke up with the sun so bright, had my coffee, feeling light. Then I saw you down the street. We smiled big when we did meet. I'm good, thanks. How are you? It's been a while, that much is true. Long time no see, look at you. I'm good, thanks. How about you? We laughed about the days gone by, talked about the reasons why. Nice to see you, made my day. Let's not let time slip away. Let's catch up and share some tea. Talk about our history. Take care now, don't be a stranger. I'm good, thanks. Life's no danger. How are you? I'm good, thanks. Long time no see. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. How are you? It's been a while, that much is true. Nice to see you, let's stay in touch. I'm good, thanks. I missed you much. I'm good, thanks. See you soon. Take care now, don't be late. I'm good, thanks. Feeling great. Learning English with music is fun and smart. It sticks in your brain and stays in your heart. Sing it while walking or riding a train. Even while washing dishes, it works in your brain. So hit that like and don't delay. Subscribe now and sing every day. Write I'm good, thanks in the comment box below. Let your English now